it's so great to just spend some time in worship again today. And I'm just reminded of God's goodness towards us. However big or small that may be, it's so great to know that He's still working, still moving. And we're just going to spend some time today just uncovering a bit more of who He is through worship. So I'm just going to give you a moment to invite the presence of the Lord into the room, wherever you are. Just welcome His presence today. Come on, let's praise Him. 'Cause I've heard 1,000 stories of what they think you're like, but I've heard the tender whisper of love in the dead of night, and you tell me that you're pleased and that I'm never alone. You're a good, good Father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. For I've seen and I've seen many searching for answers far and wide, but I know we're all searching for answers. Only you provide, because you know just what we need before we say a word. You're a good, good Father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. You're a good, good Father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. 'Cause you're perfect. You're perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. To us, yeah, we know it. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. To us, hallelujah. Just lift your voice and pray. 'Cause you are perfect to us. You are perfect to us. Love so undeniable, I can hardly speak. Peace so unexplainable, I can hardly think as you call me. Deeper still as you call me. Deeper still as you call me. into love. Love, love, as you call me. Deeper still as you call me. Deeper still as you call me. Deeper still into love. Love, love, you're a good, good Father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. You're a good, good Father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. Lord, you've been good to us. Lord, you've been good to us. Just invade this place. Just move in this place. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, 'cause I just want you, nothing else, nothing else, nothing else will do, 'cause I just want you, nothing else, nothing else, nothing else will do, 'cause I just want you, nothing else, nothing else, Jesus, nothing else will do. I just want you, nothing else, nothing else, nothing else will do. I'm caught up in your presence. I just want to sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. I never wanna leave. No, I'm not here. No, I'm not here for blessing. Jesus, you don't owe me anything, but more than anything that you can do, I just want you. I'm sorry when I've just gone through the motions. I'm sorry when I just sang another song. Take me back to where we started. I open up my heart to you. I'm sorry, I'm sorry when I've come with my agenda. I'm sorry when I forgot you were enough. Take me back to where we started. I open up my heart to you. 'Cause I'm caught up in your presence. I just want to sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. I never want to leave. No, I'm not here. No, I'm not here for blessing. Jesus, you don't owe me anything. More than anything that you can do. I just want you. I just want you. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else will do. Holy Spirit, we just want you. Nothing else. Nothing else, my Jesus. Nothing else will do. 'Cause I just want you. Every part. We just want you. Every part of you. I just want you. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else will do. 'Cause I just want you. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else will do. We just want you. We just want you. Nothing else will